Unraveling the Mystery, the meaning of whistle-stop friend. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that you might not hear every day but carries a lot of meaning. Whistle-stop friend. This video will explore its origins, meaning, and how you can use it in your conversations. Whether you're learning English as a second language or simply expanding your vocabulary, understanding such phrases can add depth to your communication. So, let's get started. First, let's break down the phrase into two parts: whistle-stop and friend. Historically, a whistle-stop was a small, often insignificant train station where trains would only stop if a signal was given. The term evolved to describe brief visits to various locations, especially by politicians seeking election. On the other hand, friend is a term we're all familiar with, signifying a person with whom one has a bond of mutual affection. Combining these, a whistle-stop friend refers to someone who is a friend, but perhaps only under certain, often brief, circumstances. This could be a friend you only see or communicate with during specific events or situations, not regularly. Whistle-stop friends play a unique role in our lives. These are the people we might connect with during particular phases or settings, like a workshop, a conference, or a short-lived project. The friendship might not extend beyond these scenarios, yet it is genuine and meaningful within that context. This concept reminds us of the diversity of friendships we can have and the value they add to our lives, even if they are not permanent or deep. Understanding and appreciating the role of a whistle-stop friend can enhance our interpersonal relationships and our appreciation for the varied connections we make throughout our lives. Now, let's talk about how you can incorporate whistle-stop friend into your English conversations. This phrase is particularly useful when reminiscing about past events or discussing the nature of different friendships. For example, I made a few whistle-stop friends during my summer in Spain. We had a great time exploring together, but we haven't kept in touch since. He's more of a whistle-stop friend. We see each other at annual conferences, and that's about it. Using this phrase can add nuance to your conversations about relationships, highlighting the temporary but valuable nature of certain connections. Understanding the phrase, whistle-stop friend, enriches your English vocabulary and enables you to articulate specific types of friendships with greater precision. These friendships, though fleeting, contribute significantly to our social tapestry, offering joy, shared experiences, and learning opportunities within a defined time or setting. Thank you for joining me in exploring this intriguing phrase. I hope this video has shed light on the concept of whistle-stop friends and how recognizing these relationships can add depth to our understanding of human connections. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the beauty of the English language.